the trash. I'm getting your cash like I'm fast, like I'm girl. You wanna act like it is. Security codes on everything on vibrate, so your phone don't ever ring. And another one he don't know about. Wish we could switch up the roles, and I could be there. Tell you I love you, but when you call, I never get back. Would you ask them questions like me, like where you be at? 'Cause I'm out 4 in the morning, on a corner rolling, doing my own thing. Had a thing on the side, made you cry. But the rules change up, but what they still apply. If I raise you like a toy, sometimes I wish I could act like a toy.
What's up, beauties? What's up, baddies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jolisha Tanyella, or you can call me JoJo. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Go ahead, turn your post notifications on so you guys get notified whenever I post, period. All right, so y'all, in this video, pretty much as you guys can tell by the title, I am doing a wig review. This is my first braided wig, y'all, so let me know what y'all think in the comments, okay? Everything about this unit will be listed in the description box. I'm not sure how long this wig is, or like I know it's a 360, but I'm not sure, like I don't remember, so I have everything listed in the description box, y'all. So this video is being sponsored by Kelly's Wig on Amazon. I have everything linked for y'all, but yeah, without further ado, let's get right in the video, bro. Come on.
What's up, my baddies? I feel like I have not talked to you guys in forever. Even though it's only been like a week, I really miss my beauties. OMG. So the wig review I'm telling you guys about today, it is from Kaylee's Wig on Amazon. And like I said, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I have everything listed below for you guys. Just make sure you check the description box, because that's where everything will be at. This is a double lace front wig, y'all. It comes with 3 combs on the inside and a adjustable strap. I really love the adjustable strap. It made my head feel so secure without me having to lay my lace down. The cap size is around 21.5 to 22 inches. And overall, the wig itself is 36 inches long. Y'all, I am 5'1", so the wig went past my butt, okay? It's very long, but it's not heavy. Like, it's not heavy. It didn't weigh my head down. It is very full. So I feel like this is a good wig, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go run errands, or if you want to pop out or whatever. I have not worn braids none this year. But y'all, let me tell y'all, when I finished the wig, I went by my friends, and just like whenever I got out the car, people really was complimenting me. I'm like, this is a wig. Like, they could not believe it, okay? Now, I will say is you want to make sure when you're doing, since it is a double lace front, you want to make sure that you're melting that wig, okay? Because with it being a double lace front, it's a little bit harder to blend in, and it requires a little bit more work, okay? So you might need to use the right makeup products, and also making sure you're using the right maybe tint and stuff like that, just to make sure that you could get it blended flawlessly, okay? But overall, I really did love the wig. I haven't had any issues with it.
All right, y'all, so this is the wig. I really like it. I don't have no complaints. I didn't even have to secure it or nothing. Like, it's already secured. I really like how it had the band on the inside. It's really full, y'all. Really full. And yeah, I have no complaints. I'm feeling it. I'm not gonna keep it up long, but I'm definitely feeling it. This is a quick, easy look. If you need to go to the store, make any errands, it literally took like 5 minutes to put this on. So if you guys are interested in purchasing, just go ahead and check the description box. That's why I have everything listed. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Go ahead, comment below, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys Wednesday. All right, beauties, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a quick, easy, simple look for me to do. Quick 1 2 3, literally very convenient for me.
Know that God don't want you to change and try to fit in or act of the world. He wants you to be who you are. The right people will attract.